Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. We are going to make this image a little nicer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So let's begin. We will start by frequency separation. If you don't know about frequency separation, I'll make a tutorial on it, so make sure to subscribe so that you get notification each time I post. So this is my frequency separation. Click on the frequency separation, click on this arrow and click on frequency. Press the play button for it to load. Before we proceed, we'll start by taking off the pimples and other blemishes from the face. So let's pick the clone stamp tool. Make sure you click on the high frequency. So this is how we start. You pick sample, then you remove the blemishes. You pick it, then remove it. Pick and remove. Okay, so now I think we are done with the blemishes. So now let's focus on making the face smooth. So let's click on the low frequency and pick a mixture brush tool. Make sure your width is 16, your load is 75, mix is 90 and flow is 16. You can set it to the way you like it. This is just my settings. You start by brushing on the face. Okay, now so we are done with the frequency separation. The next thing is to give her some lipsticks. So let's pick the color balance adjustment layer. Let's increase the red. Click on the whiteboard and click Ctrl I to invert it. Now pick the brush tool. Make sure your opacity is 100, flow is 100 and your hardness is 0. Click on this icon. Make sure your color is black and white. So you have to press D to make it black and white. Make sure the white is at the top, the black conceal and the white reveals. So start painting. I think for now it's okay. So let's double click on the layer, and now we have the underlying layer. Move the white bar to the center. Press the Alt to split it and click on it to split it. So now I think it's okay. So now let's duplicate the layer to make it a little deeper and reduce the opacity. So our next step is the eyebrows. So let's crop around the eyebrows. Let's make a new layer out of it. Let's pick the brush tool. The brush tool, everything. Press Shift F6 to feather. Increase the feather to 5. And now pick your brush tool and begin painting. Yeah, it's okay. So let's go to the opacity and reduce the opacity to, let's say, I think it's okay. So let's duplicate the layer and flip it horizontally. Right click, go to warp to transform it to match the eyebrows perfectly. I think this is okay for now. So let's merge all the layers. And now let's move on to taking the veins of the eye. With the help of the patch tool. I think the eyes are okay. So let's look at the teeth. One tooth is longer than the other, so let's try and erase that with the help of the clone stamp tool. I think it's okay for now. Now we are left with our last option, which is the camera raw filter. So click on the filter, camera raw filter. Go to basics and increase the clarity to 5 is okay. The texture to 1. 1 is okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 is okay. Let's increase the vibrance. Let's say 10 is okay. Now let's shift the shadows backwards. -16. Let's increase the highlights. 2 is okay. Let's come to the curves. Decrease the shadows to about 2 is okay. Let's increase the highlights to 3. Now color mixture. Let's increase the red. The red is okay. Let's decrease it a little bit to 7 is okay. Let's increase the orange. Color grading. Now let's increase the highlights. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's increase the clarity once more to 7 is okay. So let's look at the before and the after. Before, after. Let's increase the vibrance. Okay, so this is the final image. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in my next tutorial. Have a nice day.